Fish in lemon butter dill sauce. It's a very easy recipe and quick to make.
Welcome back, this is Aksha and today I'm going to teach you how to make fish in lemon butter dill sauce. So let's see what we have.
These ingredients are easily available and mostly they will be in your pantry.
When you use fish, you can use any kind of fish, whichever fish you like. However, today I'm using basa. Basa actually takes upon any taste of anything that you put onto it because it's a tasteless fish. I feel basa has no taste. However, if you do, you end up using like a pomfret, or if you end up using a mackerel empowers every taste and it has too many bones. So for this recipe, try to use fish which does not have many bones, which you don't have to debone. Or you could also use fish fillets.
Read the method once and then you can watch the video.
Fish pieces cut like this. Salt, butter, freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice, chili powder, pepper powder, garlic powder, flour, all-purpose flour and dill. Now the first step. In the flour we add pepper,
Add chili powder, add salt. Now we add some garlic powder. Mix it nicely. Heat a pan on low-medium flame. Add butter.
on the butter. We just wanted to have like that nutty taste. Dip the fish into the flour like this and place it. Repeat that with all the fish. I'm going to turn all the fish to the other side. You can see it's got a lovely light brown sort of a color. That smells good too. Let it cook. I'm going to add in a little bit more butter now. Lime juice. And let that mix in. I'm going to add the dill.
I've made the dill sauce and the fried fish in one pan. You could fry the fish if it's a lot of pieces and keep it to one side and then make the sauce in the same pan. Or you could use two different pans, one to fry in and one to make the sauce and then put them together. Because I have less pieces in the pan, that is why I could make the sauce in the same pan. But if you have more pieces, then the fish will tend to break. So make it separately.
I'm going to place the fish like this. Looks good. And I'm going to pour the sauce. Look at that lovely buttery lemony sauce. I'm going to add now what I call boiled potatoes, buttered boiled potatoes.
We're going to start plating it. I have rosemary potatoes with me. Let's start by placing the potatoes on a plate. Place the potatoes in the center and take the biggest pieces of fish to place them at the bottom. Now for this, I'm only going to put 3 pieces and then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of the lemon butter sauce, like you can see with the beautiful dill in there. Make sure the sauce is evenly distributed. It looks delicious and I'm sure it tastes very delicious too. just making sure that all the sauce is not just in one place. In our daily lives, we really don't have the time to sit and plate and to kind of garnish and to give it finishing touches. But I have a little bit of mango compote, and I'm just going to put 4 little drops onto the plate, which makes it look fabulous. A little something really changes everything. So try to do this. It really gives the whole dish a new meaning, a new look. It's good to the eyes, good to the stomach, good to taste. So just 4 drops of mango compote. There you go. Fish and lemon butter dill sauce is ready along with rosemary potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I've also added a little bit of mango compote. You could use a condensed mango or a mango syrup to give that garnishing effect. Thank you. Thank you for watching. For the rosemary potatoes, have a look at the link below.